The installation process is the same for both the cone base cover and the extra large cone base cover. Use the cone base cover with the pole repair kit and the extra large cone base cover with the round tapered pole repair kit. With the textured hair celled side up, apply ABS glue to the slot side of the cone base cover. Wrap the cone base cover around the pole and insert the tabs into the slots. Apply ABS glue to the inside of the cone base cover cap. Light pole systems will cut the cap to fit your poles, or you can cut them yourself. You can use tape to help hold the cap in place. Install the cap on the cone base cover. For a watertight seal, use the Paintable caulking to seal the gaps between the cap and the pole and along the vertical seam. Leave gaps in the bottom caulking to allow any moisture to escape. Using a color matching paint, paint the cone base cover, cap, and caulking to match the pole. Paint will increase the UV rating and the lifespan of the cone base cover. The cone base cover may also be painted with a fluorescent color to make the poles easier for drivers to see. For more information, you can visit our website or contact Light Pole Systems today.